Hello everyone, welcome to the webinar. The topic we are going to see today is search, locate and sell in minutes with Odoo. I, Mr. Vinod, as a functional expert with Bista Solutions, will be hosting the webinar today. I have my colleague Sonu Singh who will be presenting you with the demo of the implementation we did with the Google model. Let's see what's the agenda we have for today. Welcome and introductions. Second, we'll be looking on the orientation of Odoo. Third thing is the client overview. The fourth thing will be the actual demo of the module which we have implemented. And the last thing will be the question and answers, where we'll be interacting with the questions we get from our participants. Before that, let me quickly take you through my company profile, Bista Solutions. We are here as a dynamic software company providing solutions on multiple domains starting from ERP, BPM and BI. We have a lot of implementation done around the globe. The number ranges from 1,500 customers worldwide. Invented in the year of 2007 and headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia, US, we have 6 offices around the world and we have more than 400 software professionals working for us across the globe. Bista Solutions is also an ISO 9001-2000 certified. That's a certification we get for following the standards in the software industry, and also it's an HIPAA compliant company. We cater to different verticals across multiple domains for our customers, ranging from manufacturing, healthcare, telecom, retail, professional service, and e-commerce too. Now let's see what we have in place for Odoo. Odoo, as it is proudly known as the most used open source software in the world, a very highly customizable ERP solutions provided to our customers. Odoo has a 100% customization option wherein it fits in any vertical based on our client requirement. Also, Odoo supports a very high advanced reporting and dashboard options. Bista has a record of the highest Odoo ERP implementation across the globe. Recently, we were awarded as the Best Partner Americas 2015. In Bista, we give customized solutions based on the client requirements to execute their operations smoothly and to fit in Odoo as per the requirement of our customer. Now today, we are going to see the Google Maps integration in Odoo. So before that, I would like to take you around my client. We have implemented this solution for successfully using it. Before that, I'll just give you an overview of the client so that we can judge how well the Google Map is serving its requirement. The client is based in California they have events. They are managing events. So every time they create an event in the system, in the Odoo ERP system, they want to know that who is the appropriate person who can be assigned to this event so that this event can be a successful one, or how can they manage their efficient assignment of the users to any event. So how does Google provides, or like how does this module is going to help that requirement? The client has a very vast or a huge number of vendors. So whenever I select or I get an event for a particular location, I have to find the best, the optimal, the most efficient vendor who can serve that event. So Google module, the Odoo Google module helps in doing that. The moment you enter the location into the system will do an intelligent search and present you with the best optimal route or the nearest vendor and also the most efficient one based on multiple parameters. Let's see the flow from where it is going to start. This is how the business flow works for the client. He usually creates an event in the system. The system does an intelligent search. It offers a job to that event manager saying that an event has been assigned to your name. The event manager logs in into his portal. He goes, this is where the actual module which we had developed comes into picture. He checks the location in the Google Map. He finds out how can I reach this location in the best way. Google helps in doing that. It says that the event is going to occur 10 minutes, 15 miles from your home. So do you want to really attend this event? If the event manager finds it okay for the location and he sees that what is the current traffic solution, what's the current traffic that is present on the route, and also he finds that what's the time he is going to take to reach there, and he finds everything that suits his purpose, he goes ahead and accepts the event. So that's how the moment he accepts an event, the system intimates that the event has been accepted by one of the event manager and they get allocated to that event. Now, whatever I spoke here just for the past few minutes, let's take a real-time example or a real-time implementation wherein we have implemented this solution for one of our clients and how they're efficiently using that. I hand over to Mr. Sonu, who is our ERP engineer here. He will be explaining you how we do it in Odoo, such a critical feature, how we do it in Odoo. Okay.
Thank you, Vinod. Thank you, Vinod. Hi, everyone. I am Sonu Singh, uh, working as a ERP engineer with Bista Solutions. So I'm gonna give you demo like how Odoo and Google API works together to efficiently manage events scheduling. So let's take an example. I'm gonna create an event and show you how to search event managers and schedule them. So let's select a customer. I have created a test Vista customer which I am selecting here. So now I have to select what is the event date, like for which event I want to schedule this event. So let's take, for example, an event is required to occur at on 1st of August and 9 to 10 a.m. So let's select that. Now I have to select for which language that event manager is required. For example, let's take example like Spanish language is required over there. I have to select a location where this event is going to happen. So I'm taking a test location and I'm scheduling this event for this location. So I have to fill in some required data here so that I can schedule this event completely. System has automatically picked up time zone and the zones of for this event according to the location, and Google is also helping in getting this information for us, and on the basis of zones and the time zone of the location we get schedulers. So the schedulers are basically the staff of the company who is responsible for further processing of this event, like assigning event managers or confirming the event and then completing the whole event. So this event is going to like happen completely in the guidance of Sarah. So I am going to save it. Now I have to search for event managers which are nearby and perfect for this event. So I have to click on the search event managers button and it will give me a list of nearby interpreters available on this time. We have put certain criteria, search criteria, like which skip all the event managers which are busy on some other events, or which doesn't which doesn't provide services for the Spanish language, and which has like specialty in this language. We are going to search. We are getting a list of those event managers here only. So here I can see with the name, phone number, rates and distance. I am getting a list of approx 20 event managers, and it also gives me the list of all preferred event managers for this particular customer, if any, and if any event manager has already given services to this customer, then that will also be pulled up in this list. So now I can, like, the staff can decide to which event manager this job should be offered. So they have certain their own criteria, like they want to allocate this event to the nearest event manager or the best efficient in rates. So you can, like, you can sort them on the basis of rates or the distance, whatever the makes, whatever matters to you the most. So as I can see here, I have sorted it on the basis of distance. Now here is the option for the Google Map. By clicking this icon, so by clicking that icon, it leads me to the Google Map, where it will show me the path from the interpreter location to the actual event location. So as you can see, it is telling me the miles and the minute it has to take to the destination location. And the same way I can, like, analyze which event manager is the best. For example, I have created a test event manager, so I'm going to offer job to this. So here it is, Bista vendor. I'm going to offer job to this vendor. Certainly I can offer job this event to multiple event managers. So whoever, like, accept it the first is assigned to this event. So here comes the first come first serve thing. You can allocate, like, you can offer this event to multiple event managers. As you can see, uh, it this Vista vendor has come into the list of job offered event managers. So now one email has gone to this Vista vendor, like one event has been offered in this, like, and with the event number, event location, and some other necessary details, so that event manager can identify, like, whether this event is suitable to him or her or not. So now we have created a portal also where they can log in and accept or reject this job offer. And let's take a tour of that, how that portal helps them to accept or reject the offer. So here I am. So now I'm on the URL where I can log in on the portal of this event manager. Okay, now in the job offer list, I can see there are two job events already offered to this in this Vista vendor. So the first event is the one which is offered just recently. This is the test event which just created. Now here you see, like, what are the details and event manager sees out of that event. That is event number, event type, patient if any, language for which this event is going to happen, event time, time zone, and the location where this event is going to happen. And now here's a list like where this event manager can accept this job offer or reject it. Here also there is a map feature. Here is the map feature which helps event managers to see the path from their home to the event location. So after clicking on this icon, they can get the view of the path from the destination to from the interpreter's, sorry, that event manager's location to the event location. So it tells them multiple paths. They can choose any of these and it will guide you through like what is the distance and what is the time it will take if that event manager travels to the destination of the event. So now they can accept it. After clicking accept job, they can accept this. So now this way event managers can accept their jobs and those will be allocated from their portals. As I want to just revise how Google is helping us in providing this solution. Once the staff click on the search event managers, they get a list of the nearby event managers which are free for, and which are not allocated to any of the other events, and which like provide services for the selected language in this event. And now it also brings the rate for that event manager and brings the distance with the help of Google, so that you can easily like find out which is the nearest event manager and which is the suitable one. Google is also helping us in geolocalizing the event managers, the locations. It is helping us in getting the time zones of the events and helping us in assigning schedulers to this event so that it automatically assigns the responsible staff of the company, and these events automatically appear in their logins so that they can proceed ahead in the flow of event. So that's all for now. So if you have any queries, please uh, please write to us.
Well, thanks, Sonu. That was a great session from you, and that was quite informative. Like, we could see how much Odoo can be customized to have the entire Google search or the Google Maps feature into it. There are quite many of queries that are flowing in. Okay, we'll pick from there. The first question that was asked The first question that was asked out here is the Google feature or the Google search which you have just shown us, for how much entries or like how much searches does Google allow per day?
Well, Vinod, well, there are two kind of accounts which Google provides us. There is one is free and other one is paid account. So in free account, you get 2500 searches per day, and in paid version, you get 1 lakh requests per day. And in our solution, we have customized in such a way, like you can search up to 25,000 searches per day.
Oh, that's great. It's great news. That's the end of the webinar. And for more queries, you can please log on to the website and put on your request for a demo, or you can simply email us on sales@bistasolutions.com. Thanks everyone for your kind time here. Thank you.